Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's because they have no preservatives in them. Try freezing them in freezer-safe bags 2 at a time for you and your partner and putting them in the fridge the night before you want to use them. 26 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Freshly baked bagels will last for at most 3 days when properly stored in the normal room temperature. When baked bagels are refrigerated, they tend to dry out faster and become a bit stale. Soft packaged bagels can last for 7 to 14 days in the refrigerator.
Take our lead.
Contrary to popular belief, refrigerating your bagels will actually make them go stale more quickly. You should store them in plastic bags at room temperature, or freeze them immediately. Make sure your bagels aren't still warm when you put them in bags or they will get soggy. 18 August 2014.
Take our lead.
Yep, your fridge. By keeping the bread in a cool and dark place, it will last longer and stay fresh. Heat, humidity and light are all bad for bread but great for fungi or mold. So consider your fridge your best bet to keep your bread fresh and yummy. Tightly sealing the bread also helps slow the molding process.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use fresh bagels quickly because they dry out and harden within a matter of days. Store completely cooled bagels at room temperature in plastic bags or freeze immediately. Refrigeration actually makes them get stale faster. 18 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.